If you're getting traffic but no sales, your problem is not your product, it's your funnel. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what a sales funnel is and how it actually makes you money. Welcome to GoHighLevel Funnel Lab, where I show you how to turn traffic into real sales using funnels and automation. Let's get into it. So, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a simple system that takes someone who doesn't know you and guides them step by step until they become a paying customer. Think of it like this. You don't just meet someone today and they instantly trust you and buy from you. There's a process. A basic sales funnel has 4 simple steps. Step 1. Attention. You attract people using content, ads, or social media. Step 2. Landing page. You send them to a page with one goal, either collect their info or make an offer. Step 3. Value. You give them something, maybe a free guide, training, or solution to their problem. Step 4. Conversion. Now they trust you, and they're more likely to buy. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They send traffic directly to a website and expect sales. No structure, no direction, no system. That's why they struggle. Because a website just shows information, but a funnel is designed to sell. With a proper funnel, every step has a purpose: to guide, to convince, to convert. That's how people are making consistent sales online, not by luck, but by system. So if you want to start making money online, don't focus on getting more traffic first. Fix your funnel. And if you want more simple strategies like this, make sure you subscribe and follow this channel. I'll see you in the next video.